15th video of this interview playlist. How do you generate script for a view in an SQL database?
How to find the description of a table. For example, assume you are given a table. You would like to know the description, the definition of a table. New query, sp_help table name. Remember this sp_help table name. It gives you the details, description of the table. I mean the table name, column names, data types, and constraints, key details, index details, constraint details, references, everything. sp_help table name. We don't see these details. This much detail is not possible when we script the table. For example, create a new query window. Whenever you script a table, we get, of course, the definition. I mean, the script, the creation script, but many things are missing here. Number one, we don't see the location of the table, where exactly it's located. Number two, we don't see the references information. Like, is this table have references with something else? We don't see that. Whereas sp_help gives you all such information also. Constraint list, index list, data locations, where exactly the table is located. And the references, foreign key reference. When exactly it got created, who created it. So sp_help gives you the description of the table. Whereas script gives you definition of the table. This is definition. Okay. When you right click, script, create, new window, this is the perfect answer for definition of the table. When someone asks you about describe the table, describe, then sp_help.